What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So what is Coinbase doing? Well, it's not doing much. It's just basically trading sideways inside of this big, somewhat of a range pattern. You can see that support's right around the $200 level. And resistance is right around the mid $200 level, more specifically right around the 260 and the 270 level. So overall price looks like it's in a bearish type of state in this immediate short term. So you can see that I can draw a trend line off of the swing highs, and this swing high right here is lower than the prior one. So that's the lower high. So that shows a bearish imbalance is in play. And we did see a large drop right here, designated by this arrow. And if you see another drop in the future, it can make a similar sized leg. So a similar sized leg can happen in the future as well. So we can draw that again. It's the same arrow. You just move it across, and that can predict the next possible target, which is right around the 173. So it looks like Coinbase, due to this bearish imbalance, because the lower high and the measurement target in play by the bears, there's a good chance that price can drop down, break below the 200, because also this trend line from these two swing lows are moving up, and there's room to that downward trend line. So either way, there's at least resistance probably toward the downside, and there's a good chance we could probably break down lower to reach the 173. So don't be shocked if we see more downside for Coinbase. That is expected. I wouldn't be shocked at all. But long term, the picture is still very bullish. Why? Because price is just consolidating at this level because we saw a measure move met. So all of this is one leg up right here. I'm including this swing right here. So all of this is one large leg. Let me go and circle that. All of this is one large leg. And then this was the biggest drop in this leg. So that's where the second leg can start from. And if you draw a measurement target from there, you can see it's the same leg as the first one. And where the second one started, that's exactly where price started finding resistance at the 270. So that's a perfect measurement target met. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We're just seeing a correction take place. So when this correction is over, the first two legs are just one large leg now. So all this is one large leg designated by this large arrow. So when this correction is over, there's a high probability the price will start the second leg up. So let's say we do reach the low 170s. That would take price right around the 424 level, which is right near the all-time highs. So the expectation is more upside in the future. I don't think this bull trend is over. We're just seeing a correction take place because the target was met. People are taking profits, people are taking short positions, but the bull trend is still in play, and we're just seeing a correction take place. Expecting more downside, Bitcoin, it looked like it's also trying to drop down lower. And then look at this earnings report coincides right where price can bottom. So we'll see if that will jump price up, or price is already starting to reverse, maybe something like this. Earnings comes out and pushes it even higher. So expectation is more upside in the future. Short term is likely price does go lower first. Things can change. We can always just find support where we are right now, which is very unlikely, and reverse higher. But most likely we're probably going to see for the downside. My target is the 170, 170s, and then a possible move up higher from there. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is still looking pretty bullish. It looks like a complete trend reversal. Price was trending down in the past, consolidating, and it's rounding out to the upside, so it looks very bullish to the upside. Expectation is we see another drop down lower, probably to retest this breakout level at the 170s, and then a continuation to the upside. So everything's still looking pretty bullish for Coinbase. Short term, it is just looking a little bit bearish, as well as the proxies to Bitcoin, like MicroStrategy as well. So that's all I have for Coinbase on the daily and weekly charts. And if you guys want to see an update on Saturday, make sure you leave a like and comment down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.